Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one. As you guys can see from the title, I got the Kobo Color Libra. It's right here. Brand spanking new, and I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you guys my initial thoughts compared to the Kindle. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time posting a video. And let's get started. So my brother got my Kobo Libra color for my birthday. My birthday is past when I do post his videos. I got the Kobo Libra color in white, as you guys can see. And I also got the white stylus. And I got the blue case. I forgot what I think it was called dusk blue, but super excited. I've been saying that I wanted this because, as you guys could see, first of all, it is in color. Second of all, you can highlight with any color and do whatever you need to do and like write like if you were reading a physical book. And also this has an opportunity to write notes, so I think it's a really good thing if you like writing things in your notes or like writing things down on paper. I think this is really good because you could carry this everywhere. And there's an app where like you could get books from your library, and then another app where you could get books. So there's like a lot of opportunity with this. So we're just gonna get started and open this right up. I'm super excited. And I also been saying that I don't want to get physical copies anymore. It's like weird because I've been reading faster, first of all, on my phone with the Kindle Unlimited app, and then I've been just reading faster in general if I have the thing with me. But I feel like with a physical copy it's kind of harder, and like I don't know, it's different picking up like one of these compared to like a book, in my opinion. So we are going to see how much use I get out of it, because honestly, on my Kindle like 2-3 years ago, and I didn't really use it as much. I did stop reading for a while, so that's understandable, but I also didn't really use the Kindle a lot until I started reading again this year, and I started using the Kindle Unlimited app more and stuff like that. So Kindle been taking my money with the Kindle Unlimited for like the past few years, but it's okay. It's okay. So here it is, and we're going to just take it right out. So here it is at its full glory. They have the quick start guide in here, all these papers, and they have the box. So when you lift it up, it comes with the charger, and that's it. Let's take the screen right off, the screen protector or whatever off, and we are going to, oh, here is the power button. So you gotta press it for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna pick English. It says, Rakuten Kobo, welcome to Kobo. Let's begin by setting up your e-reader. First thing we need to do is connect to your Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Does anybody else forget their Wi-Fi password or any other passwords in general, like all the time, even though you be changing it? It's so complicated. Let's see if this works. Unable to join. Oh my goodness. Yes, I connected. Got something wrong in my password. So it says downloading update. I don't know if it's gonna load. Okay. Please be patient, about 1 minute remaining. I'm so excited. I love getting brand new things. Is that just me? Like, I feel like when you open a brand new iPad, a brand new like laptop, anything, it's like Christmas morning. $88, $89, $90, $91, $92. Okay, it goes pretty fast. Updating. Do not turn off your e-reader. I actually do like that the power button's in the back. I'm so used to it being like on the sides that it's interesting on the back. Don't turn off. Loading. I guess while we wait for this to load up, we are going to be taking out the case. Put the case on. It literally tells you how to put it on. Put the Kobo in, put your stylus on the side, and it magnetizes on the side. So we're gonna slide the Kobo right in. It has turned back on and it says, use your phone or tablet to scan your QR code. Oh. I don't know what this, oh, new things for your, I guess the stylus comes with new pen tips if you need it. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. So my phone did not, I don't remember the account that I did, so we are just going to use your Ereader to activate your device instead. Let's see, I guess, why do I forget my password like this? It says Kobo Plus. Enjoy your reading or listening as much as you want with plans starting from $7.99 per month. Prefer discovering new favorites and exploring titles from any genre. How does it work? Look for titles labeled Kobo Plus in our catalog. Add the ebooks or audiobooks you want your books. Sync your e-reader or app to see your Kobo Plus books. Listen to your Kobo Plus audiobooks with a free Kobo app for the iOS or Android. A free trial or the X. So we're doing X because I'm going to keep my Kindle Unlimited, honestly. I'm being honest and real. I'm keeping my Kindle Unlimited one since I'm already paying for it. And Kindle has really good books and I'm not going to like knock that out. So we are not going to have a subscription for Kobo. We're keeping the Kindle Unlimited subscription and just buying books on Kobo, honestly. Okay. So I pressed the X and this is what popped up. So this is the main screen. And it says, need something to read, take a quick tour, coming soon to audiobooks, browse Kobo Plus books. And it says home on the bottom. My books. So my books, my notebooks. So this is what I was talking about, that you can write anything. This is discover, more. So it looks like we can have a Dropbox. The Google Drive could come in. Let's see what else. Let's see what kind of books they have. So right off the bat, they have Say You'll Remember Me, $12.99. The screen, honestly, not that clear. First off the bat, it's kind of, this is giving grainy. They just Say You'll Remember Me. Wild and Wrangled, I've seen that, but I'm not gonna read that. What else? The Poppy Wars here. Actually, I'm gonna search up the book that I actually wanted to get first. So we're gonna put The Poppy Fields. I heard that book is good. Let me know if you guys have read that book. $14.99. Okay, we're getting somewhere, because this Barnes & Noble's copy that I was gonna get when I was at Barnes & Noble's the other day was like $30. So we are getting somewhere. So that is that. Let's see. Shows the details, the synopsis, the reviews. Bye. Okay, so it says scan the QR code using your phone or tablet to check out on the web. So that's how it works. And this says or check out on this device. So it's given, you could do both. Okay, we'll do that later. But we're gonna keep just exploring. So on the top, we got the time. Is it 1:17? It should be 1:17. We got the brightness, the Wi-Fi, the battery life. I don't know what this is. Let's check. Oh, it says sync complete. So we are going to write. Hopefully this is, let me pull this sticker off from the stylus. Okay, how do we sync? How do we sync the stylus? This better be charged at least a little bit. Start guide. Gotta read this, I guess. It says to wake up your Kobo stylus for the first time, connected to a USB outlet. Okay, I guess we're gonna do that. Where is the charger though? Is it this? It can't be the same charger, is it? It's the same charger to the Kobo. That's crazy. They should have given a separate charger. Whatever. Lame. I need a box. That's what I don't like nowadays. They don't be giving boxes anymore. I don't know. Like, what's the thing? Saving the world, saving the planet type thing. But we need boxes. We don't have enough boxes around here. To just an all around, all over the place video, and that's how I am. So let's see. New notebook name, basic notebook, advanced notebook, a folder. We're gonna do basic notebook and put recipes. Save. Swipe to turn pages. Highlight and erase with the Kobo. Done. Hey. Okay. Let's see, guys. What are we gonna do? Oh, so they have ballpoint pen, fountain pen, calligraphy pen, brush, or highlighter. We're gonna do ballpoint pen and use black. Oh, okay. So we do need the pen. They're really being bougie out here. Okay, I'm charging it with the Kindle box. And there's like a little line next to the charger saying it's charging. This is to activate it. Let's see if it wants to work now and connect. Oh, it connected. Okay. We're going to. So this is how it's looking. That's the ballpoint pen. Fountain pen. Ooh, thin line. Well, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. This is like an iPad, Kindle combined. Calligraphy. Brush. Hello? Oh. Okay, that's kind of similar. The brush sizes, the colors, the highlighter. You see how like kind of slow, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm not nitpicky about stuff. So we're gonna erase. Erase is fast though. Okay, no, let's erase that. How do I type in here? Could you just type in here? I need to figure that out. But that's that. We'll take a quick tour. Let's take a quick tour. Let them tell me what's going on. Okay, sync never lose your spot. Import from documents, overdrive to bar library books, pocket, go easy on your eyes, the screen color, read near the pool. Your e-reader is fully waterproof. Just try to keep your screen and hands dry while you're reading. If the screen gets wet, give it a quick wipe with the towel or cloth and continue reading. Okay. keep your battery charged. While you're not using your e-reader, press the power button to put it to sleep. To turn it off completely, press and hold the button until you see powered off on the screen. To charge the battery, enter your USB cable and connect to the power source. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna get the book. I'm going to insert a clip of me highlighting in the book and everything and show you guys like the different things you can do, and then we are going to do a little quick comparison of the Kindle and the Kobo next to each other. So yeah, so I am just showing you guys that you can highlight with any color and write with any color on the screen in your book, and then also you can erase with the other side of the pen like it's an actual eraser, which is really cool that I didn't know. My Kindle, my little baby. I have my sticker, a bell. But this is how the Kindle looks. I'm gonna search up the poppy fields. Off the bat, I feel like this screen is way more faster. Completely forgot that you can also put your screen like this, but then you can also, I have it upside down now. You could also, that was the whole point of this Kobo too, you can use these to turn the pages. Forgot about that one. But I just got distracted because if you guys could see, the poppy fields buy now, $5.99. I think it's because maybe it's the Amazon deals or whatever, but if you guys can see, it says $5.99, Kindle price $14.99, and then the poppy fields is $14.99. I think it's something with the deals, and maybe I have like cash in the Kindle thing. I don't even know. But this is the difference by looking at them. Obviously, Kindle is much smaller. The only reason why the Kobo is a little bit bigger is because obviously this part of the Kobo. But yeah, I don't know. It's so weird having both of them side by side. That was everything for the video. Let me know down below which e-reader you guys have, if you guys have an e-reader, and which one you would get. I'm going to be testing out the Kobo for a little bit and then let you guys know an update about it, how I'm using it, if I'm using it, stuff like that. I will be definitely giving you guys an update in the future, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.